Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic shortcut tutorials how to loop audio. Okay, we have this example video and I will insert for audio. You can click open file, go to your video, for example this video, click open, and after it we need to create for audio track. You can click at this icon, go to track operations and then click add audio track. Now you can select the audio and then move into timeline like this. So in here I will split, like I will select the audio, click at this point, and you can use split tools. I will select this video and then you can delete. Now if you want to loop this audio, you can copy and then you can paste. So it will be automatically loop like this. Paste again, you can move and then paste again to move into here. Okay, that's it for basic shortcut tutorials how to loop audio. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.